Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about a interview question about strings. So the scenario is find number of occurrences of given word in the given string. For suppose here, let's take this example. So here I have this sentence. So here the sky has been repeated many times. Now I want to identify that how many times the word sky has been occurred in the given sentence. That's the requirement. So here it has been occurred 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and here 4. Okay. Let's see how we can identify this using automation anywhere. Word count. So first what I'll do is, so here I'll write a prompt command to provide the input string. Okay. So here let's see how can we use the prompt command here first. So for that, I'm searching for the prompt package and I'm taking prompt for value. So here it is expecting what should be the prompt window title. Enter. So I'm giving, sorry, it's enter, not enter. So enter string, I'm giving the title of the window. Paste your input. And I am giving the prompt message. And I'll be assigning the value to a variable called source string. And let me print this in the message box so that we can see whether our prompt for value is working as expected or not. Okay. Here I'm pasting. You see the same string is printing here. So in this way we can use the prompt. Now let's get into our scenario that is finding the keyword sky. I mean the finding the occurrences of the keyword sky. So what I'll do is, for this, simply I'll go to the string operation and I'll go for split. I'm taking split and splitting the source string with the keyword sky. Okay, and I'm assigning this to the list variable string list. Now I want to find the length of this, I mean not the length, count of the keyword count, keyword sky, right? So if I remove this, how can I identify that is number? I'll take the assign. So here I'll take the keyword. This keyword count, I need to give that length of the list -1. List dot size minus 1. Save. See, this program is for the advanced level learners. If you are beginner, please go to my previous videos and learn how to operate with string comments and variables. Then it will be easier for you to understand this program. Okay. Actually, I forgot to print that value on the message box. Let me print it. Message box, keyword count, string. So here I'm giving my input string. See, the occurrence is 4 times. Like this, we'll be able to find the occurrence of given keyword on a given string. See, let's cross check. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So the count match. But the limitation is, if you observe here, this is sky is the individual word, here individual word, here it's a individual word. But here the sky is part of another word. This is not the individual word. So with this method, so we'll not be able to handle this. So for suppose if you want to get the only individual words, not the part of another words, in that scenario, it will be difficult for you to identify the correct count by using this split method. For this only, we need to go with the another method using regex. So for this, what I'll do is, I'll go for replace. The source string is the source string. The find string is the regex. I'm giving here. This is my regex. So this will help us to remove all the values except sky. In the sky also, it will be giving the first letter only. It will not give remaining letters. So let me show you that like this. And I'll be assigning that to the source string itself. Save. Here I'll put a message box. After regex, how it will be, we'll see. So once it's done, I'll take the same replace command again, and this time I'm going to replace spaces with null values. See, now I'll be finding the length of the string. Length of source string, and I'll be assigning to the keyword count, and I'll be printing the keyword count as well. I'm going to run this now. So as we already done with this split portion, or else let me put it split method count. This is the split method count, and here I'm going to print the regex method. Let me run. So here I'm pasting my source string. This is not my source string. Wait a second. Okay. Split method count is 4. After regex, okay, it's something went wrong. This is the wrong count it's given. Let's go and see. So let me take the correct regex. I think something wrong with the regex, I believe.
Shashi, you have given the dream. Can you check that one?
Yeah, I have seen that. I'll replace it. Yeah, earlier also it's a dream. Let me replace it with no, yeah, it's sky only, but okay. See, it has sky. Let's run now. Let me go here to this input. So split method count. And here, still it's not replacing. Let's see where it's going wrong.
You're just calling the source string again. I think we need to change that.
String to match irregular expression. Yeah, I got it where it's going wrong. Here we need to select this as regular expression. That's the problem. Split count. See here it's giving 3 S's. See the regex method count is 3. Why 3 is here I don't want to consider this version, this guy, because this guy is part of another word. This is not the individual word. This is not the whole word. That's the reason. So if we want to handle such kind of scenarios, it's always recommended to go with the regular expressions instead of using the split method. So in this way, we'll be able to find the occurrence of the given keywords from a sentence.